All right, what's up, everybody? We are about to test out the Daniel Defense. Nah, I'm just kidding. We about to test out the ND filters. So I just set up the ND filters on the GoPro, and today's video we're just gonna be testing them out, see how they react in the in the natty sunlight. My boy got the Daniel out. Don't let a shot off.
Not bro. A prop. 223s
only, you know. He about to let loose right here, y'all. Here you go. Get y'all now. Nah, not today. That's the wrong number. Nah, we don't have enough land for that. Not yet.
Unfortunately.
But that'll be sick, honestly, if you put like the GoPro right here and do like shots. Look at that. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, y'all, so let's set this all up. I changed back to the 16:9 aspect ratio. I thought that looked a little better. All right, let's see. Plug this in. There we go. But I'm rocking the ND16 filter for now. Let's go ahead and turn this on. And we are recording on the GoPro. Boom, boom, boom. Just plug this up. There we go. All right, about to go for a nice little flight. But yeah, like I said, I'm just testing out these ND filters because I'm super new to it. I changed the shutter speed to 1/60, and I'm filming at 30 frames a second. So they say use the 180-degree rule. So that's what I'm using. So I'm gonna just put the GoPro down because I do not have my chest mount, and I'm gonna just put it right here. So, and that's not the best view actually. Let me get this battery. All right, I'm gonna put the GoPro down like right here. Hopefully y'all can see that. Oh wait, I can just touch the screen, duh. Perfect. All right, y'all, so we're about to take off, and we're testing out this filter. There we go. We are connected. I really gotta find better goggles, like the foam, because these are terrible. Try to shoot the drone out there, bro. Imagine this had a gun on it, huh? And you could just bow, 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 bow. I could light you up right here.
Why are you running?
So I did the preview on the GoPro app just to see if it was right. I think the white balance is like 5500, somewhere around there. And I'll just give you guys a little pan around. There's the sun, as you guys can see. But the picture should be a lot. You should see a little more motion blur. So if I come down here and fly like low to the ground, it should look like, you know, pretty flowy. I guess is what I'm going for. I'm gonna come through the woods. But my only thing is, like, I don't want the picture to be too dark. Oh shit, we just got some major lag right there. But yeah, I don't want the picture to be too dark. So hopefully it's not that dark. Especially when you go into like the shadow. Oh my gosh. We're lagging so bad. When you go into the shadowy areas. I think my brother being outside with the phone. It made me laggy, bro. Like, I lost connection for a couple seconds, bro. And that like will kill you.
I'm gonna leave this right here for you.
Nah, you go put it back. Do you want to go shoot it one day? I guess not. That's my brother. He customizes shoes.
This week before Thursday.
Okay. Whoa, I just got the major twitches. But I'm running the, I think this is what, 1200 battery. And yesterday, I was not recording, but unfortunately I did crash the drone, which wasn't a crazy crash. But I lost the, I broke the GoPro mount, like that comes with the naked GoPro from GepRC. And it's like super lightweight, but unfortunately I broke it. And I'm rocking, it's a little heavier setup right now. Probably about an extra 6 grams, not like crazy, but I did break it. So I just ordered like 10 of them, but they won't be here until like next month. But I can't feel too much of a difference with this new setup that I'm rocking right here. Feels almost the same. Center of gravity is pretty much the same. We'll try to do a little flip right here. But yeah, it flies super well. I just want to make sure that the ND filter settings are right, because like I said, I don't know. I'm super new to all this, you know, videography, in the sense like changing all the settings of the camera. I usually just shoot in auto, but now I'm starting to do a little more manual shooting, and you know, you definitely have more control over what the picture's gonna look like, but it's a learning curve, just like flying, you know. When you first start FPV, it's not the easiest thing to learn, but once you learn it, it's like, oh man, this is so fun, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm trying to go into like shadowy areas like this. Like, I'll go low right here. Oops. See how dark it is right here? Like I said, the ISO is on max of 400. So this should be relatively dark, but not too dark, hopefully. Not underexposed. I don't want any under or overexposed shots. That's kind of like what I'm going for. So we'll kind of cut through here. This is a good shot, I feel. You got like the dark, and then you got the bright side of the vehicle. This should be also another dark shot. I don't think I can fit into that truck. Fuck it. Hey, good shit. So yeah, I mean, it's I just love the way this thing flies now with the GoPro on it. I feel like it's more predictable. Not that the last setup wasn't predictable, but this is definitely pretty predictable. Well, we are about to land because of battery, so I'll go ahead and plop her down right in front of the GoPro. All right, y'all, so that was the flight. I'm probably just gonna do the one pack just so you guys can see what it looks like. Like I said, this is the ND16 filter. I could go down to the ND32, but I think the ND16 should do it for a day like today. It's pretty much clear skies, not too dark, but yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and unplug all this so we don't do anything silly. And we will go ahead and stop the recording. And I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this GoPro so it doesn't overheat. Nothing crazy. But so far, I'm really impressed with this GoPro. The footage that I'm getting. It's basically a Hero 10 just stripped of all the the stuff that makes it heavy. I got stuff all over here. But yeah, guys, so hopefully you liked the video. Super short video. I just wanted to show you guys what the ND filter looks like with a set shutter speed. So like I said, shutter speed was 1/60, 30 frames a second. Shooting at like 5500 white balance. So we'll see how it turns out. I thought it might look pretty good. I'm watching like videos and tutorials on how to get the best footage with like a little motion blur, and I think those were the settings that they recommended. So with that being said, I'm gonna go edit this video. Super short video. Stay tuned for more. And I might be having a new drone coming, so y'all just gonna have to wait and find out. All right, y'all, until next video, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.